Sometimes it's hot when you have drawn the perfect trend line and price is approaching it, but then you hesitate whether to buy or sell, or you probably jump in too early and get stopped out before the major move actually happens. Today, I'm showing you the exact candlestick confirmations blueprint I use to get sniper entries to minimize drawdown and maximize profit. If that sounds good, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you are interested to be part of my community on Telegram, where I give out free profitable signals and weekly market insights, you can click on the link in the description to be part of the community. And let's get into the breakdown. The first problem you must solve in the market as a professional price action trader is to understand the direction. Where is the price heading to? Is the price heading to the south or to the north? Being able to solve this problem will help you to understand the overall view of the price action. On the daily time frame of USD CHF, you can see series of lower highs right here, which validates every presence of sellers in the market, right? So we have to put it down inside our journal. Daily is downtrend, and if you don't want to call it downtrend, you can call it bearish market condition. That is step number one. Then the step number two is to count the number of lower highs, right? During this downtrend, you need a minimum of 4 to 5 lower highs for this system. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We have more than 4 lower highs. Whenever you see this series of lower highs during a downtrend market, it's a sign that the trend will soon be invalidated. That means the trend is overripe for invalidation. That buyers will soon come into the market and invalidate the structure from bearish market structure to bullish market structure. That is when you should use trend line to guide yourself by connecting two major points together. You know, I'm starting from this point here, then connect it to the next point here, right? Under this major downtrend here, we can also connect another downtrend inside it, right? So by starting from here, from this point here to the next point here, the most important thing right now is to exercise a lot of patience. This current trend has a lot of lower highs, minimum of 4 to 5. That is a sign that the trend will soon be invalidated to the upper side. We have to exercise a lot of patience and wait for the first daily candlestick to close above this downtrend. So let me play the candlesticks and observe what the price will offer us on this trade. We need the first daily candlestick to close above one of the downtrend to validate this system. Now we finally have it. So you can see the way the price invalidated this downtrend. All right, before I forget, if you have any trading challenges you want me to solve for you, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to treat it in the next coming future content. The final step right now is to scale down to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame, and look for sniper entries. On the 1 hour time frame, you must exercise a lot of patience and wait for the price to retest the trend line before you buy to the upper side. On the 1 hour time frame of USD CHF, you can see the way the price action invalidated the downtrend line to the upper side. Like I said, you have to wait for price to retest the downtrend line. After a breakout, there must be a retest. You only want to execute at the retest zone when the price retests the trend line breakout. Looking at the structure right here on the 1 hour time frame, it happens to be a bullish market, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, then price give us equal high until the price change the structure to the downside. This was the last higher low that these sellers invalidated to the downside to give us a bearish structure on the 1 hour time frame right now. But we have to wait for price to correct the structure back to bullish. So we want to see a change of structure on 1 hour time frame before we execute. So looking at the structure right now, we have high here, lower low, lower high. So if price give us a new lower low or equal low, we want to see a change of structure to the upper side. So the first candlestick to break this structure to the upper side will validate our entry. So let's play the candlestick and see what the price will offer us. Now we have the first candlestick, which is this healthy bullish candlestick. So we're going to use the closing price of this healthy bullish candlestick as our entry confirmation, right? Then we place our stop loss below this zone. Then we target a minimum of ratio 1 to 2 or 3 risk to reward max, right? So let's play the candlestick and see what the price will offer. Finally, the price smashed our take profit level, and if you still want to extend your take profit level to probably ratio 1 to 3 risk to reward, let's play the candlestick and see. Let's see what the price will offer us on this trade, and let's see. Finally, the price also smashed ratio 1 to 3 target. If you still want to extend it to ratio 1 to 4, price will still smash the take profit level. But the most important thing, as the day trader, I will recommend to target ratio 1 to 2 risk to reward. Don't waste time in the market. You are a day trader. You are not a swing trader, right? You want to come into the market, cash your profit or make money and get out of the market. All right, that is the end of today's video. If you are blessed in one way or the other through the informations I just shared in this video, I would truly appreciate your support by liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. This helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more struggling traders out there looking for possible ways to become profitable trader. And if you are also interested to be part of my community on Telegram, where I give out free profitable signals and market insights every week, you can click on the link in the description, and I will see you next time.